guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. So a couple videos back I posted that someone had taken the front grills off the Z4M. I was a little bitter about it for obvious reasons, right? It's never cool for someone just to mess with your stuff, right? No matter what they take, no matter how much it costs, anything like that. It's just the fact that someone would go to the extent to take it off. Same color, but I had to buy two because they don't have one, so now I'm gonna have an extra grill. Anyone need one? Maybe that person that stole it, you wanna... So during this quarantine, I've ate more pasta than I probably have in my entire life. What I was thinking is we could get that E85 in the M3. All I have to do is reflash the tune at a gas station though, because I need to make sure I'm out of 91 before I go ahead and put E85 into it. We're gonna hope I don't get pulled over because I got no front bumper, but, okay, hold on, I gotta go back to the Z for a second. Funny story about the Z is, one thing I'm terrible at is not losing things. You guys saw it when I lost my wallet in one of the other vlogs. I ended up, pretty sure at least, locking the keys in the Z4M.
For all other roadside assistance needs, press 4.
I have about 11 miles on the tank right now, which probably means I have more like 20, but I'm trying to empty this out. I also want to get let the car warm up a little bit and get a couple pulls. Hope I don't run out of gas, but basically get a couple pulls right now so that I can show you guys before E85 and after and see if we see even a noticeable difference. Again, it'll kind of be a first impression thing. I'm not sure. It's so hard sometimes with these like minor things like this. Sure, E85 it's supposedly going to give me more power. Now, is it going to be noticeable? Who knows? Is it only going to be noticeable at certain things? That's what I'll find out over time. But right now, it's pretty much just like, I just want to give you guys my first impressions. I even want to see if there's a sound difference. Odds are there's not, but just because it's different fuel, there could be different pops. Or there might be actually different smells too, because it's the 85. But we're going to find all that out right now. Okay, so just pulled up to the pump. My range is at 0, as you can tell. Now, I'm not sure how much there's still left in here, but the 85 right now is, it looks like it's 215. Not bad. Like I mentioned before, just trying to get it completely empty. I have no idea really how low I am right now, so I'm just gonna kind of let it idle for a little bit. And then I have my laptop right now. This only works on Windows, but if you, there's a software called Parallels Desktop, and you can download the free trial, download Windows and install it. And basically, long story short, is you're able to use something like Gin Tonic software on a Mac because it's basically virtually running Windows. So that's what I did. So I have my MacBook here, so I can go ahead and basically plug into the OBD 2-port, tune with the Gin Tonic software, reflash it, and then I'll be running E85. Now, all right, so about to power the car off and get the tune going. Still let it idle. Here we have right here. So I'm not gonna plug this in just yet, but I have the cable right here plugged into the OBD2 port. It's gonna plug in, and then I'll go ahead and run it. Cool, we're gonna go ahead and program ECU. And from there, we'll go ahead and find the file they sent me. So each file only works with your VIN. That's the way they have it set up. So during this too, usually your car will do all kinds of funky things. All kinds of lights going on. Transmission malfunction, all kinds of stuff goes on during this. This happened last time and it was tripping me out, see? Oh man. Cool. ECU has successfully been programmed. Okay. Now, time to fill up. Oh shit, it started right up. I can't tell, it started right up. I can't tell if that's a good thing or a bad thing right now. So right off the bat, just like I expected, I'm not noticing a huge difference, if any, to be honest. So I mean, the gas is cheaper, but I'm probably gonna get less miles per gallon. So we'll see. We'll see once I get the first pull if I notice a difference. So this has happened to me twice now. So I'm walking the road that I just drove, and literally my GoPro flew off. Like, I found it. So, I'm feeling a little difference. A little difference. Now, it's so hard to tell because these like minor adjustments, unless you get on a dyno, you can't really tell. But I do feel it's pulling hard. But it's hard to say. Is it worth it to have an E85 tune versus the 91? I don't know. Time will tell. As of right now, I don't think so. I think it's such a small difference. As time goes on and I can really feel this car, it'll be interesting to see what happens when I go back to 91 after being on E85. Like, do I notice after being on E85 for 2 weeks, going back to 91, do I notice, oh shit, way different? You know what I mean? And I think if I get some like canyon runs once I have the bumper on, I'll really be able to tell a difference. So, I mean, I'm liking it.